I love this bookstore. I love this bookstore. Where is the fiction section? Where is the fiction section? I am looking for books. I am looking for books. Do you sell magazines? Do you sell magazines? Can you help me? Can you help me? I need a dictionary. I need a dictionary. This book is cheap. This book is cheap. That book is expensive. That book is expensive. I want a mystery novel. I want a mystery novel. Where is the exit? Where is the exit? Do you have classics? Do you have classics? I love reading stories. I love reading stories. The shop is open. The shop is open. The shop is closed. The shop is closed. I have a library card. I have a library card. Where is the payment counter? Where is the payment counter? I like new books. I like new books. Is this a biography? Is this a biography? I am a reader. I am a reader. Please show me travel books. Please show me travel books. Do you have children's books? Do you have children's books? That is a great title. That is a great title. I found my book. I found my book. The shelf is empty. The shelf is empty. Let us buy books. Let us buy books.